teach you On2 shine. A lot of footwork and a lot of body movement, really fun. So we're gonna do first a basic step. We're gonna start 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna stop on 7. I'm gonna use my right foot and I'm gonna cross 1. So I'm gonna use my left foot pointing in, and you're gonna put it out your knee and your foot like this. So when I do that, I sit on my right hip. I cross 1, in, and sit on your right hip. You have to sit down, otherwise it looks like nothing. So sit there. You got your bond there. You don't need no bond. You have this. You're gonna step back, 5, open, 6, cross, 7, and it's over. So with the footwork again, you cross 1, in, out, back, side, and cross. With my hands, I'm doing this. I'm just using crossing with my right. I'm gonna use in, and I'm pointing to the side like this. 2, 3, back, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm gonna turn around, that way you can see me and you can copy from behind. Cross 1, in, out, back, side, and cross. So we're gonna do now shine, that you're gonna use a lot of footwork. So your feet has to move really, really fast. What I'm doing is I'm crossing with my right, and open with my right, then cross back with the same right, to the side, cross, and cross. So the thing, every time that you're crossing, you have to use your left foot too. Every time that you're using a count, so let's say this is 1, now you're gonna use your hand with your left foot. That's why it's really, really fast footwork. I'm gonna go cross 1, and with the left, open 2, and with the left, back 3, and with the left, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. So it's really, really quick because we're using each count in the whole bar. So if I do it again, looks like 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. If I do it turn around, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. With my hands, I'm doing just this. I'm using the right first. 1, open, in, out, out, out. So you're switching just at the end real quick. I'm doing 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now I'm going to teach you a really good move that way you can use your body and the waves that your body has. So what I do is I use my right foot all the time, so I'm working with my right foot like this. So when I say working, it's like your all power is in that right foot. So I'm using that to can move my body like this. But still my energy is in my right foot all the time. So the footwork and the body movement that I want to show you today is this one. You're gonna cross 1, you're gonna open 3, you're gonna cross 5, you're gonna open 7. That's it. I'm using 1, 3, 5, 7. However, with my hands, I'm using this move. 1, 3, 5, and 7. So this is you're cleaning your body. Cleaning your body over your head and go away. So I'm using 1, 3, 5, and 7. 1, 3, 5, and 7. And 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, we're going to put the 3 shines together. We're going to start from a basic. 1, 2, 3, 5. First session. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Faster. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Slow, slow. Over, clean. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, and 1, 3, 5, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
I